One step at a time, and they've decided they're gonna do all the doors, the frames, the window stools, the baseboard, the door casings. They do all that first. And that's how you do all houses, right?
Yeah.
You do all the pre-finished casings and the finish work first before you do the walls and ceilings. Then do you do the ceilings next?
Last.
You do the ceilings last. Oh, I didn't know that.
Changed. Like I used to do it like the way you normally see it
Uh-huh.
a lot of years.
Uh-huh.
But
Like, dude, because I would have thought the ceiling first and then the walls so you can cut in.
yeah, no.
But you do it, okay.
We do the trim first, then we cover the trim, then we do the walls with the trim cover, right?
Uh-huh.
Then we lay plastic on the walls.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, from there down.
Instead of
And cut it in.
Yeah,
Okay.
instead of doing-
Oh, oh. And you know what? It's okay. It's okay. See this little, see this?
Yeah.
That was there before, and we're gonna put a wall-mounted plate on there. We gotta make sure it doesn't get any bigger. But anyways.
There we go.
Yes, okay, so he's doing all the trim first, and then in the next few days, he's gonna do the walls and then the ceiling last. Quite the process, so. Oh, that's nice. He wasn't kidding, he said it wasn't gonna take long. And that's it, huh?
Yes, sir.
One coat and that's all?
No, I come back for another one.
Okay, he puts the first coat on there and gets a good base on it. Looks like. Oh, he's just going to town. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.